Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're dealing with University of Abuja Physics Post UTME Past question 50. A car towing a trailer is accelerating on a level road. The car exerts a force on the trailer whose magnitude is A. The same as that of the force the trailer exerts on the car. B. The same as that of the force the trailer exerts on the road. C. The same as that of the force the trailer exerts on the trailer. And D. Greater than that of the force the trailer exerts on the car. Option E says none of the above. Now, mostly what I tell my students when you are faced with a question like this, a question of this magnitude, you take note of the tenses that are being used. Now, firstly, it said a car towing a trailer. Now, what does it mean for a car to tow a trailer? Now, it simply means towing is kind of an attachment with a rope. And let's say this is the trailer and then this is a car. Now it is attached with a rope. Now if the trailer is moving, the car moves alongside based on the velocity or based on the force of pull from the trailer. You know, force itself is an act of pull or push. Now in this case it is a force of pull by the trailer. Now a car towing a trailer is accelerating on a level road. It says the road is level. Now if the road is level, the friction is kind of negligible. So that's an assumption we'll make here, that the friction is kind of negligible. Now according to Newton's third law of motion, the third law of motion, Newton said action and reaction are equal and opposite. Action and reaction are equal and opposite. In this case, the car is towing the trailer, meaning the trailer is exerting a particular force of pull on the car, and that is the action. The force of pull is the action. Now the car reacts in an equal but opposite reaction, meaning that what? The force exerted by the trailer on the car is the same as the force the trailer exerts on the car, or the force the car exerts on the trailer, vice versa. Now it means F of car equals to what? F of trailer. But then their magnitude are the same, but the direction is different. Now this particular question is asking for just the magnitude. If it was asking for the direction, the directions are different. That's what Newton said. He said action and reaction are equal and opposite in direction, but their magnitude are equal. So in this particular question, he said the same as that of the trailer the trailer exerts on the car. That's exactly what I explained. Option A is the suitable option for this question. Now the option B says the same as that of the force, which is wrong. The question is talking about a trailer and a car, not a trailer and a road. So a trailer and a road is particularly out of it. C is also out of it, a trailer on a road too. Now D, greater than that of the force. It will not be greater according to Newton's third law. It will be equal but in an opposite direction. None of the above is actually not part of it too. It's a wrong option because I identified A as a suitable option. So the correct answer to this question is option A. The same as that of the force the trailer exerts on the car. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more wonderful videos.